Good morning, y'all. It is 4 o'clock in the morning. Crystal and I are packing up. We're about to hit the road to drive to Pensacola, Florida for my buddy Ryan's wedding. Congratulations, Ryan. Not really sure what the next couple of days vlog material is going to be like because we're driving for 11 hours. Not sure what my internet's going to be like. I honestly don't know what to expect. And I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to even film like at the wedding and whatnot. Like, I don't know if that's a thing that I should do because it's not my wedding. But stay tuned for whatever comes. We'll see what happens. Catch you on the road. On the road, y'all. We have our coffee. He put half and half in our coffee instead of heavy cream. We always say heavy cream, but every once in a while you get some of this like, oh, half and half? That's the same thing. Isn't that right, baby?
That is true, yes. Unfortunate.
Frustrating. It's okay because we got a beautiful view in front of us, which makes me happy. Alright, y'all, we are in a little pit stop here in Mississippi, I think. I've got Keto pasta sausage and keto brick. And Crystal's gonna be eating some fried cheese, and what else are you gonna have?
Pork and eggs.
Pork and eggs. Can't get any work done. Trying to get some client stuff done, but the internet sucks. We're in the middle of nowhere, so this is gonna be an interesting trip for sure. Alright, y'all, standstill traffic. Are we in Mississippi or Florida? Crystal's been sleeping. She doesn't know where we're at.
Baloney.
Baloney?
I can't sleep while Robert's almost rear-ending every single person.
Ugh. Anyways, standstill traffic are really slow, stop and go. No AC. We're literally on a client call a minute ago, and Crystal was eating her pork, and I'm on this client call, and I look at her and she looks at me. We're both just like dripping, like beads of sweat just falling off of us. So, good day for sure. Gotta love this travel life. Plus, the internet and Wi-Fi sucks, so I can't even really use my phone as a hotspot, so I'm gonna be way behind on all of my clients. Yeah, buddy. Alright, y'all, another pit stop. We're in Alabama right now. Got some water, working on client macros in this sweaty rig, and I got Monster water. I didn't even know this thing existed, but there's no sugar, and it's sweetened with sucralose, but I don't see any Ace K in there at all, so let's give it a shot real quick. It's actually pretty good. I like it. You wanna try it, Crystal? What do you think? What's the verdict?
Yuck.
Yuck?
I think I like the bubbliness of the other one.
Yeah, this one's not carbonated, which I like. I prefer it. Alright, let's hit the road.
Alright, guys, we made it to Florida. Alright, y'all, we're at the Airbnb house right now. Super sweet host. We've been really lucky with our Airbnb people, but yeah, super sweet host. We got in Florida. We went to where the reception's gonna be. Met up with everybody there. Had some barbecue. Didn't really film any of that because it's the first time I'd met a bunch of those people on the bride's side of the family. But this is my buddy Ryan's wedding, just to give y'all some context. I grew up with Ryan in high school. I didn't really go to high school with him. I met him through my other buddy, Chris. Chris and I are going to be in the wedding. So yeah, that's kind of the gist of what's going down now. We got here on Friday. With the wedding's on Saturday. It's going to be on the beach here in Pensacola. And then we're leaving on Sunday. Yeah, we honestly didn't work out today. We didn't get any cool footage. We drove, and it was like a 11, 12-hour drive with stops. So, I mean, we didn't really do anything cool to get footage of, so I apologize. Today's vlog is going to be pretty much nothing. But I was thinking, you know, these guys that, you know, Ryan, Chris, they knew me long before Keto Savage was a thing, and they've been in my life for a long time. and they don't understand a lot of what I'm doing now, and that's okay. You know, I can't expect them to understand what I'm doing now. I don't understand a lot of what they're doing, but they're there for me. They're my friends. We'll be friends to the end. Sorry about that. My memory was full. I had to replace my SD card. Anyways, you know, the thing about Ryan and Chris, they've been with me since the beginning. I mean, since before Keto Savage was a thing, before Keto Brick was a thing, before any of this was a thing. And they don't really understand what I'm doing now, but they're there for me. They appreciate it. They respect it. I don't understand everything they're doing in life, but I appreciate it and respect it. And there's something to be said for that, you know. Old friends are old friends. You can never make new old friends. So value those relationships. When you pursue something in life that the people in your life don't understand, there's going to be some kickback to that. You're going to have to make some sacrifices. But try to maintain the relationships of those that you had beforehand. If they're good relationships. If they're bad and toxic, then it's best to just get rid of them. But if they're good relationships, even if they don't fully understand what you're doing, you know, foster that relationship because, you know, they're good people. So yeah, sorry today's vlog was so freaking empty. We just like got a bunch of random clips of nothing really at the gas station. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to get some footage tomorrow, you know, walking through Florida and seeing what we can find here. That said, y'all have a great day. Catch you later.